So, good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss our chapter number system. Okay. So, what is the number system? So, when we have to discuss what is a number system, so it is the way of representing a number that is used in our computer, regarding in human language or the machine language. Okay. So, what the numbers that we have to discuss? Binary number. And I had also provided one video. In that video this all parts is covered. So today we will discuss the what the conversion of the one number system to the another number system. So first we will write the all the number system. So binary number system, decimal, third one is hexadecimal, and fourth is our octal number system. Okay. So binary is having the base 2 and is contain only 0 and 1. Decimal number is having the base 10 as it is having 0 to 9. Hexadecimal contains 16 and is having 0 to F. Okay. And octal number 0 to 7. So the base is 8. Okay. So binary number system consists only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. So its base is only 2. Decimal number system base is 10 and is considered the value from 0 to 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the 10 dates are there, that's why it is the base of 10. Hexadecimal 16 because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and after the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But the 10 is written as A, 11 B, C, D, E, F. So I written 0 to F. So 0 to F all are 16 digits. So that's why it is the base 16. Octal having 0 to 7. So it is having the base 8. Now we will do the conversion of binary number system to decimal number system. So today we will only cover the one part of conversion. That is the binary to decimal and decimal to binary. So first we discuss our decimal to binary. Decimal to binary, and note it down also in your fair notebook how we have to convert. So consider any decimal number. Suppose I have considered 25. This is how we will write the number. So this is 25, this is 10. Now this 10 represents that it is a decimal number. Okay, and if I write only 25, now it does not represent either it is a decimal number, octal number, or any other number. So we have to consider the write the this one base also. ठीक है, आपको वहाँ पे base भी लिखना पड़ेगा. Now decimal to binary number system. So we had considered one number, that is the 25 decimal. Now we have to convert this 25 into the binary number system. So 25. To convert the decimal to binary, we have to divide with the 2. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. We are having the remainder 1. So we will write the remainder here 1. Listen it carefully. Now again with 2, 2 6 ja 12. It is completely divided, so it is 0. 2 3 ja 6, completely divided, so remainder is 0. 2 1 ja 2, remainder is 1. Okay, now here 2, so 2 you will not write, we will do now this. Now for we have to write the binary, we will हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे, हम यहाँ पे लास्ट से यूज करेंगे स्टार्टिंग तक, ऊपर से नीचे नहीं, हम नीचे से ऊपर जाएंगे. ठीक है, कहाँ जाएंगे हम, नीचे से ऊपर. सो योर आंसर इज, एंड वी विल स्टार्ट विद दिस डिजिट, द लास्ट वन 1, बिकॉज आपका 1 अब यहाँ से डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता ना 2 से. ठीक है, वैसे आप जैसे ये भी कर सकते हो 2 0 जा 0 एंड हियर योर रिमाइंडर इज 1. ठीक है, आपकी बुक में ऐसे भी गिवन हो सकता है. ठीक है, और ऐसे भी गिवन है, बट अगर आप ऐसे करना चाहें तो ऐसे कर लीजिए, तो भी आपका आंसर क्या आएगा 1 1 0 0 1, 1 1 0 0 1. Base is 2. So when we have to write the base 2, it represents it as a binary. When we have to write the base 2, it is the binary. ठीक है, और अगर आप ऐसे भी लिखना चाहें तो आप ये भी कंसीडर कर सकते हैं 1, तो यहाँ से ऊपर जाएंगे तो 11001, 11001. So this is your binary number system. Decimal to binary. Okay. Now we will reverse it. Now we have to do the binary to decimal, and we will consider the same digit 11001. Now we will convert the binary to decimal, and we will take the same value 11001. ठीक है, हम फिर से 11001 ही लेके चलते हैं. अब आप इसको जरा ध्यान से देखें. दिस इज योर बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम. नाउ द लास्ट डिजिट, टेक द लास्ट डिजिट. सो 1 into 2 raised to the power 0. लास्ट एट 1 into 2 raised to the power 0. आपका जो लास्ट वैल्यू है वो आपकी किससे होगी डिवाइड, मल्टीप्लाइड 2 raised to the power 0. आफ्टर दैट दिस इज अ पोजिशनल वैल्यू. सो दिस इज 0 into 2 raised to the power 1. पावर आपकी यहाँ पर एक इंक्रीज हो रही है. यहाँ पर आपकी पोजीशन वैल्यू आती है, ये वाली वैल्यू आती है 0 into 2 raised to the power 2, 1 into 2 raised to the power 3, 1 into 2 raised to the power 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Your power is increasing, and this is the value 1 into 2, 0 into 1 into and 1 into 2 raised to the power 4. Okay. Now what we have to do? Solve it. 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. हमेशा जब किसी की पावर 0 होती है तो उसका आंसर क्या था 1. So 1 into 0, 1 into 2 raised to the power 0, 1. Answer is 1. 0 into, अगर आप 0 into कुछ भी कर लीजिए आपका 0 ही रहेगा. 0 into 0. 1 into 2 raised to the power 3. 1 into 8. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. ठीक है. So it is 8. Now 2 raised to the 1 into 2 raised to the power 4. So 1 into 2 to the 4, 48, 6, 16. Now we have to do the addition. अब हम क्या करेंगे, इन सब का एडिशन करेंगे. So 16 plus 8, 24 plus 1, 25. So your 25 is a decimal number system. ठीक है, इसका हमारा डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम क्या जाएगा 25. So this is how we convert the binary to decimal and decimal to binary. And remember, अगर आप binary से decimal कर रहे हो तो आपका पावर ऐसे होता है, और decimal से binary करते हैं तो divide वाला होता है. Confuse नहीं होना है. ठीक है. So in this video we will only cover this part. Make it clear. Do the question. So now I will give you some questions. That is not related to your book, but you have to do this question in your fair notebook. Okay. So first part is binary to decimal. This is your homework. First is binary to decimal. Convert binary to decimal. Take one number 18. Sorry, binary to decimal. 10101. Convert into the decimal. Second 11010. Convert into the decimal. Second decimal to binary. First part 18 convert to binary. Second 390 convert into binary. So this is your homework. Do it carefully, and if you have any doubt then you can ask me. So, and no need to comment on the video, and you will find this video on a YouTube channel. Okay, and do subscribe it so you will find the another video also. ठीक है. So thank you, और ध्यान रखो अपना.